As we are all aware, the Ember month is a season marked by increased travel, high road traffic volume, and attendant rise in road crash, fatalities, and injuries. I wish to express my profound appreciation to you, members of the media, the press, for your unflinching and unwavering commitment to advancing road safety, enlightenment, and awareness. Your platforms have consistently amplified our voices as crucial stakeholders, thus improving road safety awareness in our country, Nigeria. I wish to assure you that we are, in Federal Safety Corps, recognize the media as a critical platform for enlightenment and orientation, and that underscores the need for this conference. The theme for this year's campaign is Take Responsibility for Your Safety. Stop Distracted Driving. The theme reinforces the view that human factor is one of the major causes of road traffic crashes. It also draws attention to the fact that drivers are largely responsible for crashes on our major highways. The 2024 Operation Zero, that commences 15 December 2024 to 15 January 2025, the crash statistic revealed that 432 persons were killed, 270 persons were injured out of 533 reported cases of road crashes. Furthermore, 3,433 persons were killed and 22,162 persons injured out of a total of 6,858 reported road crashes between January and September this year. And this represents a decrease in fatalities and injuries against the corresponding period in 2024, and hope that the trajectory will continue to decline to achieve the road traffic reduction for the year 2025. The records also show that the major causes of those crashes were linked to driver fatigue, overloading of persons, conveyance of persons in haulage vehicles, that is mixed loading, and traveling with fuel in plastic containers. Apparently, driver behavior is a fundamental element in determining safety on our highways. It is expected that the 2025 end-of-year campaign will create the needed awareness and sensitization for drivers to take up the issue of safety more seriously. Therefore, the choice of the 2025 end-of-year campaign theme, Taking Responsibility for Your Safety, was deliberate and well thought of. It was carefully chosen to address road traffic infringement by drivers, which were largely responsible for the previous road crash records. These violations include the following: failure to adhere to road traffic rules and regulations, speed limit violations, driving under influence, that is alcohol and drugs, seatbelt violations, and road rage, amongst other driver-related causes of road crashes, such as the use of horns, eating and drinking while driving. In line with our commitment to achieve the desired outcome of 2025 end-of-year campaign, FRSC has mapped out the following actionable measures. A, deployment of FRSC personnel and special marshals across major highways to align to reduce crash-prone corridors nationwide. B, free vehicle check exercise to improve vehicle roadworthiness. C, conducting motor park rallies and motor car carnivals nationwide to raise awareness level of motorists and the general public. D, organizing town hall meetings to strengthen collaboration with transport unions, security agencies, and other critical road safety stakeholders for a seamless Ember Month campaign. These measures, in addition to our routine enforcement operations, are designed to raise awareness against reckless driving, usually associated with Ember Month. It is also expected that the implementation of these measures will significantly reduce the percentage of occurrence of road crashes and drive down road crash-related deaths and injuries. Over the past month, FRSC has achieved a milestone in strategic partnership and capacity building. Driving schools were engaged to raise the standard of driver training. Fleet operators were also tasked to meet up with the minimum vehicle safety standard for fleet operations. We have also interfaced with relevant government agencies, businesses and private sector, non-governmental organizations, civil society groups, and individuals to strengthen advocacy for road safety. Mobile courts and stopover operations were also constituted to address persistent causes of crashes, such as overloading and speed violations. And these have yielded remarkable results. One of the major platforms adopted by the Corps to canvass support for road safety is the FRSC annual lecture series. The lecture series was resuscitated this year to create awareness on the recurrent issues on road safety as a major public health challenge requiring urgent attention and action. It is gratifying to note that consultations at the lecture provided critical perspectives on global best practices on road safety through strategic partnership. In addition, we have activated plans to overcome perennial challenges associated with delays in obtaining the driver's license and number plates. Our printing facility has been upgraded to print an average of 15,000 driver's licenses daily. This production average will be increased to clear the backlog before the second week of November 2025. We are also about to commence the contactless biometric capture with on-spot printing of the license, which will eliminate temporary licenses, thereby signaling the beginning of a digitalized one-stop shop for processing driver's license. With this development, it is expected that the delays and other challenges related to the national driver's license will be a history. Thus, the press will be treated to a demonstration of this process immediately after this briefing. Furthermore, plans have reached advanced stage to convene an international conference on road crash victims for Africa between 16 and 18 November 2025. The conference was conceived in partnership with KRSD, that is Coopdad Road Safety Demand Road Safety Foundation, to strengthen post-crash care for road crash victims in line with the fifth pillar of the United Nations Decade of Action for Road Safety in Africa. It is expected that this effort will translate into zero road crash-related deaths as we drive into the Yuletide and the New Year. Meanwhile, I wish to put it on record that government support is substantially responsible for the modest achievement of the Federal Safety Corps over the years. Accordingly, I wish to appreciate the federal government of Nigeria, especially the Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, SDF, for its advisory oversight. I urge all Nigerians to continue to support the Corps as we strive to create a safer monitoring environment for our dear nation. On this note, I wish to flag off the 2025 Ember Month campaign, believing that we can be the change, we can lead the change, we can collectively change our road traffic behavior for safer roads and fuller lives for our dear nation. Thank you for listening. Lifter to work. I'm sure some of you to address you at this press conference.
Thank you. That will be commercial. Comes from the members of the press. For those that have questions, please may you indicate by the radio channels.
Good afternoon, Commander. My question is actually threefold in the production plant. It's more like a factory, you know, with people working at the toilet too much brown.
I'd like to just ask, it's commendable that into your office capture and then get my driver's license. That's
All right.